Daily English conversation practice. Future simple tense. Will you go to the park tomorrow? Yes, I will go to the park tomorrow. Will she visit her grandparents next week? Yes, she will visit her grandparents next week. Will they have a party on Friday? Yes, they will have a party on Friday. Will he play soccer this weekend? Yes, he will play soccer this weekend. Will we watch a movie tonight? Yes, we will watch a movie tonight. Will it rain tomorrow? Yes, it will rain tomorrow. Will you travel to Paris next month? Yes, I will travel to Paris next month. Will they study for the exam? Yes, they will study for the exam. Will she cook dinner tonight? Yes, she will cook dinner tonight. Will we meet at the cafe? Yes, we will meet at the cafe. Will he buy a new car next year? Yes, he will buy a new car next year. Will it snow in winter? Yes, it will snow in winter. Will you finish your homework soon? Yes, I will finish my homework soon. Will they go on vacation next summer? Yes, they will go on vacation next summer. Will she learn to play the guitar? Yes, she will learn to play the guitar. Will we have a meeting tomorrow? Yes, we will have a meeting tomorrow. Will he get a promotion at work? Yes, he will get a promotion at work. Will it be hot in July? Yes, it will be hot in July. Will you take a nap this afternoon? Yes, I will take a nap this afternoon. Will they move to a new house next month? Yes, they will move to a new house next month. Will she become a doctor in the future? Yes, she will become a doctor in the future. Will we go shopping on Saturday? Yes, we will go shopping on Saturday. Will he start a new job next week? Yes, he will start a new job next week. Will it get dark soon? Yes, it will get dark soon. Will you meet your friends for dinner? Yes, I will meet my friends for dinner. Will they visit the museum next weekend? Yes, they will visit the museum next weekend. Will she win the competition? Yes, she will win the competition. Will we travel to another country next year? Yes, we will travel to another country next year. Will he buy a birthday gift for his sister? Yes, he will buy a birthday gift for his sister. Will it rain tomorrow morning? Yes, it will rain tomorrow morning. Will you pass the exam with a good grade? Yes, I will pass the exam with a good grade. Will they attend the concert next month? Yes, they will attend the concert next month. Will she find a job soon? Yes, she will find a job soon. Will we have a party on New Year's Eve? Yes, we will have a party on New Year's Eve. Will he learn to play the piano? Yes, he will learn to play the piano. Will it be a sunny day tomorrow? Yes, it will be a sunny day tomorrow. Will you go swimming in the afternoon? Yes, I will go swimming in the afternoon. Will they buy new furniture for their house? Yes, they will buy new furniture for their house. Will she travel to Europe next year? Yes, she will travel to Europe next year. Will we finish the project on time? Yes, we will finish the project on time. Will he become a famous actor? Yes, he will become a famous actor. Will it snow in the mountains? Yes, it will snow in the mountains. Will you have lunch with your colleagues? Yes, I will have lunch with my colleagues. Will they take a road trip during summer vacation? Yes, they will take a road trip during summer vacation. Will she write a book in the future? Yes, she will write a book in the future. Will we visit our grandparents next weekend? Yes, we will visit our grandparents next weekend. Will he go hiking in the mountains? Yes, he will go hiking in the mountains. Will it be a cold winter this year? Yes, it will be a cold winter this year. Will you have a party for your birthday? Yes, I will have a party for my birthday. Will they go to the beach next month? Yes, they will go to the beach next month. Will she learn a new language? Yes, she will learn a new language. Will we go on a road trip? Yes, we will go on a road trip. Will he start his own business? Yes, he will start his own business. Will it rain during the weekend? Yes, it will rain during the weekend. Will you visit your family next week? Yes, I will visit my family next week. Will they adopt a pet in the future? Yes, they will adopt a pet in the future. Will she become a professional athlete? Yes, she will become a professional athlete. Will we watch a play at the theater? Yes, we will watch a play at the theater. Will he travel to Asia next year? Yes, he will travel to Asia next year. Will it be a hot summer? Yes, it will be a hot summer. Will you go for a walk in the evening? Yes, I will go for a walk in the evening. Will they go camping in the mountains? Yes, they will go camping in the mountains. Will she start a new job? Yes, she will start a new job. Will we have a picnic in the park? Yes, we will have a picnic in the park. Will he learn to cook? Yes, he will learn to cook. Will it be a rainy day tomorrow? Yes, it will be a rainy day tomorrow. Will you invite your friends to the party? Yes, I will invite my friends to the party. Will they take a trip to the beach? Yes, they will take a trip to the beach. Will she become a successful artist? Yes, she will become a successful artist. Will we go to the amusement park? Yes, we will go to the amusement park. Will he buy a new house? Yes, he will buy a new house. Will it be a windy day tomorrow? Yes, it will be a windy day tomorrow. Will you go to the gym today? Yes, I will go to the gym today. Will they attend a wedding next week? Yes, they will attend a wedding next week. Will she start a fitness program? Yes, she will start a fitness program. Will we have a barbecue in the backyard? Yes, we will have a barbecue in the backyard. Will he learn to swim? Yes, he will learn to swim. Will it be a foggy morning? Yes, it will be a foggy morning. Will you plant flowers in the garden? Yes, I will plant flowers in the garden. Will they go on a road trip with friends? Yes, they will go on a road trip with friends. Will she become a successful entrepreneur? Yes, she will become a successful entrepreneur. Will we go hiking in the forest? Yes, we will go hiking in the forest. Will he travel to Africa? Yes, he will travel to Africa. Will it be a stormy day? Yes, it will be a stormy day. Will you have dinner with your family? Yes, I will have dinner with my family. Will they volunteer at the local shelter? Yes, they will volunteer at the local shelter. Will she start a new hobby? Yes, she will start a new hobby. Will we go on a weekend getaway? Yes, we will go on a weekend getaway. Will he learn to play chess? Yes, he will learn to play chess. Will it be a sunny afternoon? Yes, it will be a sunny afternoon. Will you read a book before bed? Yes, I will read a book before bed. Will they go to the zoo? Yes, they will go to the zoo. Will she become a successful writer? Yes, she will become a successful writer. Will we visit a theme park? Yes, we will visit a theme park. Will he buy a new computer? Yes, he will buy a new computer. Will it be a snowy day? Yes, it will be a snowy day. Will you go to a concert? Yes, I will go to a concert. Will they have a picnic in the countryside? Yes, they will have a picnic in the countryside. Will she start a yoga class? Yes, she will start a yoga class. Will we go to a museum? Yes, we will go to a museum. Will he learn to ride a bike? Yes, he will learn to ride a bike. Will it be a cloudy day? Yes, it will be a cloudy day. Will you go to the beach? Yes, I will go to the beach. Will they go to a baseball game? Yes, they will go to a baseball game. Will she become a successful chef? Yes, she will become a successful chef. Will we visit a historical site? Yes, we will visit a historical site. Will he buy a new phone? Yes, he will buy a new phone. Will it be a beautiful sunset? Yes, it will be a beautiful sunset. Will you go shopping? Yes, I will go shopping. Will they go hiking in the mountains? Yes, they will go hiking in the mountains. Will she start a dance class? Yes, she will start a dance class. Will we go on a boat ride? Yes, we will go on a boat ride. Will he learn to paint? Yes, He will learn to paint. Will it be a peaceful evening? Yes, it will be a peaceful evening. Will you go for a run? Yes, I will go for a run. Will they have a family gathering? Yes, they will have a family gathering. Will she start a photography course? Yes, she will start a photography course. Will we go on a camping trip? Yes, we will go on a camping trip. Will he buy a new camera? Yes, he will buy a new camera. Will it be a starry night? Yes, it will be a starry night.